Welcome to Southern Manufacturing 2025. We're back on the Matsuura stand here with Damien. Quite a well-known face on MTD now, aren't you, Damien?
I've been on a few times now.
A few times. It's just because he has so much applications knowledge here at Matsuura. We're in front of the MX-520. It's quite a well-known machine now. You're doing a brand new demo on it. What's the demo?
So the demo is an engine block. We use an engine block as an example because often many customers have similar products. We can show our parts on this machine, whether it's face milling, interpolating, 5-axis machining, drilling, tapping, the speeds and feeds that we can use on this sort of block. And here we're demonstrating very fast speeds and feeds on an unbolted machine, which helps to show the rigidity, especially on the MX-520, of how well it's made and how fast we can actually go on this one.
Absolutely, it's rapiding quite fast. And it's on carpet?
It's on carpet, not bolted down. So yeah, we're cutting sort of 12,000 RPM at 5-6 meters a minute, which is good going, I'd say.
Yeah, pretty good going. You've also got quite an interesting probing demo you're showing off as well.
Yeah, so on this example on the demo that we've got here, we have an operation 1 and an operation 2, but we're only using one vise. Now, what I've done is incorporated Renishaw spindle probing to go and detect if your billet is bigger, so it's not 1, or if the billet's smaller, it's an operation 2, automatically jump into the program, find the selected program, and it's all automated. So if I try to make a mistake and effectively load the wrong billet, the program will go and find the correct program suited to that job.
It's interesting. I mean, that's obviously quite a niche application. It's on this per operation and per job. But it just shows actually the applications, experience, and knowledge that you're trying to apply, I guess, every day here. Because you don't just work here at shows trying to do demos.
No.
You're out in customers every day with real Matsuura machines making real products, aren't you?
Yeah. So some of the products that we have and some of the customers we see, their needs will vary depending on their part. So like for the example I did Operation 1 and Operation 2 mixed together as one program, that only takes a few minutes to change the way that people do their programs to suit their needs, and then that saves them effectively from having a crash by spending a little bit extra time.
Yeah,
now,
exactly.
Some of the customers that I go and see, Factory 33 I was at only a couple of weeks ago, it was their first Matsuura machine. How I had to detail my training to him and his requirements he wanted from me would be completely different to someone who's already got one.
Yeah, and that's the best thing about having a serious machine dealer in the UK to support you with real applications engineers going in, is because they've got your time basically, and you can show them exactly what they need to do to get up and running and to eventually to have business value from that machine from day one.
Yeah, so one of our aims, we've got to do a deal on what the sales have sold, and we have to come in on that deal and produce exactly what the customer needs to those requirements. Whether that would be their first part off on the machine or whether that be training existing customers with new staff.